When you're towing a semi-tractor on the highway, safety and ease of use are your top considerations. The Pro-Tote fifth wheel wrecker gives you both security and simplicity of use. Built with 5/8-inch commercial quality hot rolled steel, the approximately 1,500-pound Pro-Tote wrecker provides super heavy-duty construction not found in any other product on the market today. The Pro-Tote gives fleet owners the flexibility to rescue stranded drivers 24/7 without paying costly towing charges. Truck sales companies use the Pro-Tote to double their transport capacity, saving time and added expense. With these savings and minimal maintenance, the Pro-Tote wrecker quickly pays for itself. Tired of watching your towed vehicle wander back and forth on the road? When you use the Pro-Tote wrecker for the first time, you'll appreciate the super stable highway performance and confidence it gives you. A quick pre-trip inspection of your Pro-Tote, along with the instructional checklist binder, make installation safe and easy. Let's get started. When loading the Pro-Tote on a tractor, there are two ways for this to be accomplished. One way is by using a forklift with the provided angle bar. While the second is lifting by the attached D-ring welded to the top of the Pro-Tote. Next, lock into the kingpin and pull to test and visually inspect. Remove kingpin safety chains from the boom area and hook them into the bottom of the frame rail on both sides. Take up the slack in the chains by hooking into the welded hooks. The chains should be left somewhat loose because in many instances they will tighten when the boom is raised. In some instances, the chains may remain loose. This is normal depending on the application. Rear frame locks are easily accessible and provide additional security by anchoring the rear of the unit firmly in place. Secure the rear frame locks and tighten all 4 bolts.
Our Model 8 unit has its own battery pack on here to keep you from having to run jumper cables up to the power tractor to power the unit up and down. It'll control the electric lift, control the light, rotating light back here. You turn it to an on position to activate the power up and down. It will be charged, this battery will be charged by the tractor that you're using to tow with by running the lights. It's got a little wire here that will trickle charge this battery and keep you charged up all the time. When you're parked, turn it to an off position, and you're all set. Hello, I'm Jim Gusto, the head engineer and designer of your Model 7 or Model 8 fifth wheel wrecker. Rest assured you've purchased the finest wrecker in the country. It's unequaled in quality, strength, unparalleled in performance in any other fifth wheel wrecker you'll find. We've been documented in the Netherlands, Mozambique, Zimbabwe. We've got one in Japan. You'll love the wrecker. Of course, all over the United States and Canada. We need to show you how to properly operate the wrecker. The wrecker is as safe as you are. If you know how to properly hook up this wrecker and you take your time, it's called responsibility. We're going to show you how to do this wrecker, how to hook this wrecker up properly, and you're going to have years and years of trouble-free performance from your wrecker. This is Billy Austin, Bobby Yeager. They're going to assist in showing you how to hook this wrecker up. There's a 10-point safety sheet that you will have with you. This is laminated, so you can take it in the field with you and check it off as many times as you use the wrecker.
1. Deflate the air ride suspension on the unit being towed. 2. Tie the steering wheel in a neutral position. 3. Our exclusive Herculoid basket boom attachment point increases strength and stability. Chain the unit basket style from the boom to the rear suspension of the disabled unit and hook the anti-swing chain to secure for lifting. 4. If needed, install included angle iron to span the frame of the rear of the tractor and lift with wrecker hydraulics. On some tractor frames, this will not be required. Pro-Tote's hydraulic pump has quitting sense and will not allow the user to lift anything the wrecker is not designed to handle. 5. After reaching the desired height, install the bar handle into holes in the tower and lower the boom until it touches the bar. 6. Finish the hookup by using the remaining chain for secondary loops around the frame and wrecker hooks. 7. Hang your light bar on the front of the towed unit.
Yeah, perfect.
And plug the cord into the port at the rear of the wrecker boom.
With every Pro-Tote wrecker that we sell, we supply you with a brake assembly which will allow you to put brakes on the towed unit. This is not a law. A lot of the guys don't do it. We think it's mandatory, and we want to stress upon you how important it is. You've got 20,000 pounds of iron back here. The way we're going to show you is going to take 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes tops to put brakes on this towed unit. You'll get a 60-foot air brake hose, an airline blocker, a crossover line with a quick release valve. Now we're going to show you how to put them on.
8. Hook up air brakes directly into the towed tractor. Go to the steer axle on the towed tractor, unhook fittings on the air chambers, and then run a specially made crossover from one chamber under the motor to the other chamber.
One more time on the brakes. What we did was disconnect the line that went to this brake canister. We put our brake crossover line into this canister, and it's also going to the other steer canister. Let's go to the other side. So what you have now is, instead of the brake hoses off the tractor being onto the front brake canisters, you've got our crossover line, your crossover line, that will allow you to actuate these front brakes when you step on the brake pedal. Okay, we're back up to the tractor. We're going to hook the air lines back up to this tractor that you're using. The 60-foot air line that comes equipped with your Pro-Tote will hook into the blue line of the tractor that you're using to lead. The red line needs to be blocked, because when you push both valves in, this will block the line, will allow you to have brakes on that towed unit. Take the time to hook the brakes up. Again, the wrecker's as safe as the operator. This will allow you to stop hundreds of feet quicker, and obviously could make the difference between getting in a wreck or not getting in a wreck. I know it's not the law, but you need to do this job properly. You'll love the wrecker, you'll love the performance of it, and you need to be safe. We want to make sure you are.
9. Check for weak or damaged air fairing and secure on the towed tractor. 10. Double check everything. Push in both red and yellow air valve knobs to engage proper braking action while driving, and you're good to go. When you use the Pro-Tote wrecker for the first time, you'll experience for yourself how easy it is to operate and how much peace of mind it gives you. When you use it for the 51st time, you'll appreciate its durability, low maintenance costs, and how much money it's saved you. The Pro-Tote wrecker's ease of operation, rugged durability, 2-year critical component warranty, and attention to safety provides the top-of-the-line wrecker at an affordable price.
Hi, I'm Lori, and thank you for buying our Pro-Tote Model 7 or Model 8 fifth wheel wrecker. You'll never be disappointed in its performance. Please call us at 800-259-4550. We'll be waiting.